Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Vannie the Rabbit from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. It's like essentially a killer rabbit. But anyways, let's get started. I'm just gonna do her head right now. I will do another one of her with her whole body, but right now I'm just gonna stick to just the head. All right, to make give you a choice. So let's get started. All right, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over here and draw kind of like an egg shape, something like that. Be careful about how close to the top you get. I'm gonna pull in over here to the bottom here, pull in over here, and it's gonna look like a balloon almost, pretty much. Okay, we doing good so far? All right. Going to start with a mouth and how open that's going to be. Maybe I'm going to mark it over here in the sides where the crack in the mouth is going to start. Curve up. Come to the front. Curve over here, up. Going to draw the two buck teeth that rabbits have. Line in between. Down, curve. Right here for the open mouth here, curve, and it's gonna go up. Gonna fill this shape in. Even if you're doing it in pencil, fill it in. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. I post 3 times every single day, and I have a bunch of playlists. Everything I do on here ends up on a playlist, so go check that out. Hit the subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe on. And what you're gonna do is you get announcements for when I post, or what I post really, because I post like 3 times a day, so I'm posting a lot. Line up in the middle there. I'm going to draw a circle here, kind of pretty, just a round circle on its side almost for the nose. If you want, you can kind of make it more triangular as it's coming in there, just a little bit more. Line here, dot here, starting where the eyes are, where they're going to be. I like marking out where that corner of the eyes are going to be for myself. Go over here and I'm going to pull. It's going to be a pretty big pull. Curve down. Go over here underneath. Pull down. Go to the top. Curve. Over here in the bottom. Curve underneath. Find the eyes, pretty long pupils, and they're right in the center of the eye to make it look crazy, right? And I'm gonna put a line over here across there, and then I'm gonna fill in the rest. Line across here, fill in the rest, kind of give it that shadow, Line over here, line over here, line over here. Over here on this side, line over here, line over here, line over here. Down for the eyelid. Oh, but sorry, you draw a little bit of the eyelids right there. Okay, there's a color differentiation, so I'm going to draw a thinner line like this. Okay, thinner line like that. And maybe like a curved line over here around. It's going to be a color differentiation for the top of that part of the mouth. From there up, straight line, thin line, and there's going to be stitching, right, of the outfit. I don't know what it is about stitches, but it just looks creepy for some reason. Let's go over here and find the ear. It's going to start small, the ear, and it's gonna go outwards, so it's almost gonna look like this, like a megaphone or something. Like the ears, think of it like that, like, oh, it's a phone, megaphone. Gonna go over here, pull out, down, up over here, down here for the ear kind of folding over. I'm gonna grab a line, pull it back for the inner ear. Go over here, pull out for the other side of the inner ear. All right. Same thing on the other end. I'm going to pull a line across. Down over here. Pulling up. Over here. Over here. Down. Down for that inner ear. We're trying to find that inner ear. The last thing I'm going to do is find the whiskers. So it's going to be 2 on each side, okay? So right here, there'll be a little bit jaggedy right there. And they're pretty thick. You're drawing them through stuff, but like you can give them an extra layer. So that's right there. If you want, you can throw... Actually, that's good. You can make them thicker, though, because they're really, really thick. I don't know what's up with that. You can either draw another line, like the same, or you can just thicken out the line that exists. And I forgot the eyebrow over here. Straight line over here, curve around the top, down, like there. Don't forget, hit the subscribe. I think I might have already said that, but hit the like button if you like these. I'm going to do a lot more security breach videos. Just, you got to let me know. This is her face. I'm going to do another one probably this week of her whole body, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you very much. You're amazing for watching. That is Vannie, whatever the bunny, Vannie Rabbit from Friday Night at Freddy's Security Breach. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Say hi to me. If you want full-blown lessons, go to my Skillshare if you want to improve your overall drawing. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.